Walk up the path to this gorgeous Lake Barrington home, and inside you'll find the kind of beautiful finds that estate sale dreams are made of. Start with pieces that you'll be handing down to the next generation, and by then they'll be back in style. Thomasville, Ethan Allen, and Pottery Barn furniture, and enough art and home decor to make it look like you live in Lake Barrington, even if you don't. Of course there's China, Royal Copenhagen, Royal Doulton. Buy it, stick it in the dishwasher, and call it good. Around the corner there's the jewelry. Triple strand Akoya pearls, a rare Swarovski brooch. You deserve more bling. Then head upstairs and around the corner for a massive K-pop album collection, Legos, American Girl dolls, and calico critters. Gucci scarves and a black ranch mink coat, because dress up is best played in style. This house has range, from the refined to the fun to the comfortable leather furniture. You're not going to find this combination anywhere else this weekend. Steeple Run Estate Sales, Lake Barrington, Friday and Saturday.